What if every person who completes your assessment sees a call to action perfectly tailored to their result? That's not a dream. It's exactly what Outgrow's personalized CTA by score or outcome feature delivers. Let me show you how it works. Once you open your Outgrow dashboard, you'll see all your interactive experiences. From here, you can create an assessment from scratch or choose from one of our pre-made templates. For this walkthrough, I'm selecting a pre-made assessment. Here's one called Discover Your Parenting Style. It includes a set of questions that guide users through different parenting scenarios and behaviors. Now, to personalize the CTA, we head over to the results screen. This is where the magic happens. Here, we apply conditions based on score or outcome. For example, if the result in condition 1 is authoritative parenting, the CTA can say, level up your parenting strengths. You can add a personalized URL link as well, which will be easily accessible to the users. If the result in condition 2 is authoritarian parenting, the CTA could be learn a more balanced parenting approach. If the result in condition 3 is permissive parenting, the CTA might be build structure without losing connection. And if the result in condition 4 is uninvolved parenting, the CTA can be get support for you and your child. And this isn't limited to score-based assessments. You can do the same with outcome-based quizzes too. For example, let's say you're running an outcome quiz called Are You Ready to Start a Business? Here, users are mapped to clear outcomes instead of scores. Now, each outcome can have its own personalized CTA. Like if the outcome is business novice, the CTA could be start learning the basics. You can add a URL link as well. If the outcome is business apprentice, the CTA might say strengthen your business skills. If the outcome is business ready, the CTA could be take the first step. Similarly, you can set for others as well. Each user sees a CTA aligned exactly with where they are in their journey. That's how easy it is to add personalized CTAs using conditional messaging in Outgrow. Ready to boost your conversions? Start personalizing your CTA today with Outgrow.